What is your growth trajectory? And do you have the tools to keep pace? At Sage, people often ask us how they know when they've outgrown Sage 50. But quite often, that's not the right question. The question you should be asking is, how do you know when you are going to outgrow Sage 50? With growth comes the need for more complex data. When using Sage 50 to get at the analysis your growth demands, you might have to use spreadsheets to manually integrate financial data from disparate systems with operational information. As you rely more and more on manual processes and spreadsheets to get things done, you slow your finance teams down, often taking days or weeks to close financial periods. With Sage Intacct's automation for things like consolidations and revenue recognition, you can move your talented accounting teams from managing rows and columns of data to value-adding tasks that really drive your growth. And above all, with better automation, you gain greater control over processes and data to ensure an accurate source of truth should you ever face an audit. Like any growing business, you have a course that is best for you. How do you identify the best course with incomplete or out-of-date reports? As you add complexity to your finances, like adding entities or meeting complex billing requirements, you need a system that gives you a complete picture to be able to make the right choice. As the rate of your growth increases, the ability to gather the right data from across your organization and access it in real time pays big dividends. Many opportunities present themselves in a brief window. Sage 50 might not always offer up the information you need to take advantage of those opportunities. Responding to an opportunity often requires a combination of financial and operational reporting. Robust analysis requires breaking out and comparing your financial data by locations, departments, customers, and suppliers. Whatever dimensions drive your success, you need to be able to see trends over time and forecast along those trends. In short, you require a level of transactional tracking and reporting insight that will allow you to dive into your business's key metrics. If part of your growth strategy includes attracting the right investors or even going public, you need a level of transparency into your financial health. Investors and auditors don't want numbers muddied by multiple manual touch points and spreadsheets. With Sage Intacct, you have a clear, auditable path from your reports back to the very transactions they're based on. If you believe that you may be on a path to outgrow Sage 50, take a closer look at Sage Intacct. See how it can automate complex processes, manage and consolidate multiple entities from a single system, and lead the way in fast and effective reporting from a single source of truth. Migrate to Sage Intacct to gain confidence through visibility and control, and start doing accounting at the speed your business needs.